Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a 2015 Dodge Caravan door mirror I'm going to clean up. I sell parts online and we buy them in bulk, and typically these parts are ratty, scuffed, scratched. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this thing up. So what I use is 3M Super Rubbing Compound. You can get it on Amazon for about $39 bucks. And I'm going to use my power buffer right here, just a cheapy little buffer. First of all, what we're going to do is wipe off, surface wiped off, just light dust and whatnot. I'm going to go ahead and buff it right now. I just put a little bit of rubbing compound on it, and we're going to let her rip. So now I'm going to go ahead and buff off the rubbing compound, and we'll see what it looks like. You can also use the rubbing compound on light scratches on glass, so I'm going to go ahead and do that by just rubbing it on with a terry towel. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Well, the scratches didn't come out of the glass as best as I'd hoped, but I mean, you can only do so much when these things show up this way. So, I mean, honestly, it does look a lot better than before. So here we go. After buffing the door mirror, it actually turned out a heck of a lot better than it was. I mean, it'll be good enough for a daily driver. It's not perfect by any means. The only thing I couldn't remove was the scratches in the glass. I really don't have anything that can remove those. I tried with rubbing compound, but that didn't do anything. But I mean, overall, for a daily driver, it's going to work out fine for somebody. At least it's sellable now. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.